good?
Yeah.
Go birds.
I did it.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that. Very cool. Good job. Hey girls. How's it going?
Good, we're counting in Spanish.
Yeah, we're at 26.
Ah, nice. Oh, cool, you're doing that. 26 droplets. Keep going, don't mind me.
It's levitating.
It's cool.
Why is it holding?
Very cool. That's awesome. Everything good here, everybody? Yeah. Good? Cool. Ah, yes. That's awesome.
It's levitating.
Let's see it. Ah, yes. It's levitating.
It's levitating. It's why is it moldy?
Just don't pop the bottle.
Yeah, please don't pop the bottle. If you pop the mold inside
Just like you popped the bowling ball.
Yes, yes. The mold and melt, it will pop.
Good job. Everything good, gentlemen? Good. It's good. Good group. Good group. Good group. Everything satisfactory, girls?
Yeah.
We having fun?
A super droplet.
Huh?
I'm gathering an army of droplets to make a super droplet.
Oh, Kenny, my flower.
That's cool. Very cool.
I was gonna make a flower and then Kenny destroyed it.
Yo, no. Kenzie, why would you destroy your flowers?
Awesome. How's it going, guys? Were you successful with the paperclip?
No.
No, not yet. It's tricky. It's tricky. It helps if you fill the water all the way up to the top. That increases the surface tension. Try that. That'll do it, I think. Hey, girls. How's it going?
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
That is really good. Look at that.
Thank you.
Look at that. Awesome. Go Birds.
Go birds.
Go birds.
Go Birds. Super Bowl. Go Birds.
No, Steelers are better.
Steelers. Isn't that an Eagle shirt? It's a nice shirt.
No, it's a Nike shirt.
Nike shirt? No. Why's your bush so
Same
flat?
state.
Why's your bush so flat?
I already told you this.
I'm just messing. I'll leave you alone. Good man. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Making some bubbles?
Yeah, we're trying.
Okay, dip it in like twice.
Well, that was my first time. Here's my second.
And then one more time and you should get a square bubble in the center.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
The pop.
That's cool. That turned out good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. All right, let's check these guys out. How you guys doing? Good. What do you want to say to YouTube?
Go birds.
Go Birds. Go Browns. True Browns fan. Did that not work? You got this. Here we go. Wilson's going to float a paper clip. You got this. Yeah, man. Look at
There it
that.
is. That's one. That's one.
That's satisfying. How'd that feel?
Amazing. Can I do
That's
it first
awesome.
try?
Yeah, first try.
Watch this.
Watch and learn.
So we're gonna take this one out because it's bad luck.
Watch and learn. All right.
Wait, I want to do first try.
Good job, buddy.
You
Cool.
gotta do drops, right?
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Anywhere?
Yep. See how they kind of bead up?
Yeah.
It's neat. It shows how water is cohesive. You kind of push them together a little bit.
Oh. Shoot. They're attached.
Cool. How's it going, girls?
Going good.
Going good? Having fun? Good. Everybody good? How's the slime?
It's good.
Still good? Oh yeah, there it is. Still good. I made a fresh batch this, well, I didn't make it, but a fresh batch was made this morning.
No John.
Nice smile.
Go Sixers.
No.
Jared McCain.
Go Sixers.
Jared McCain is going to take us to the promised land. Yes, he is.
In 5 years.
In a few years.
Yeah. I wish I could get like a side shot.
Or like, it reminds me of a mushroom.
Oh, that was cool.
I'm
It's
trying to move
actually
one in
very
the
good
middle.
footage.
Yeah, it reminds me of a mushroom. Can you get a shot of that one?
Yeah, I got it. That is cool.
They
Oh,
look like
that's
little
good.
pebbles.
Paperclips next.
Today's special guest, Leroy, visiting our science class. What do you think of these kids, Leroy?
They're goofy.
Is it like this at an Amish school? Not at all. Yeah, I see a good square bubble. Cool. Yeah, I see a good square bubble. Cool.
Actually, Cole,
You got this.
Actually, Cole, you
got this.
Oh, close.
No. Interference. Cole, you want to do it?
Let's see it. Close. Sticks.
Subscribe to Coach Wieand.
Thank you.
Oh my god!
Not putting us on. I don't think you did that right.
That is cool.
Get it on video.
Good morning.
What's halfway to 15?
16. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Good. Good job. Come on through. All right. Everything satisfactory?
Hi.
Good job.
Where am I going?
How you doing?
I'm doing it.
Good. He's doing. I like it. Good class here. Good class.
Don't touch me.
Like and subscribe.
That is cool. Square bubble.
So now it's a square triangle.
Is that pretty cool?
That's awesome.
It's fun. Sodium polyacrylate and water. Cool. You having fun?
Yes, sir. You already know. Bro.
Slide.
Next, carefully drag
Subscribe to Mr. Wieand.
That's right. Hey guys, you having fun? Go Birds.
Like and subscribe.
Doing good, guys. Really.
I got 17.
17 paper clips. That's amazing. Good job. Cool. That's neat. Cohesion. Hey girls, how's it going?
Mrs. Schneider. Good.
Good. Oh, you're fine.
Are you trying to catch them?
The bubble station, that's fun. You having fun?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. All right. Good job, guys. You having fun? Good. Gio, you having fun? Say it again.
Like and subscribe.
Here we go. How's it going? You having fun? Good.
Let him cook. Let him cook. Oh, man.
All right, they're doing some serious measuring here. Good work. Good work.
Tanya.
That's the second time that's happened.
All right, let's see a good square bubble. Can you make me a square bubble? Dip it in there, a good square bubble. I'll get a tight shot here.
Go for it.
Bubbly on the surface, but not bad. Not bad. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Let me see that brain. That is the brain of an Eagles fan. Now show me the brain of a Cowboys fan.
Oh, that's right. It's microscopic.
That's the brain of a Dallas Cowboys fan.
I thought it was microscopic.
Well, we're being nice. We're being nice. Generous.
This one's.
We're being generous.
Look at that! Kaboom!
That's cool. It's all beaded up.
Exactly, bro.
Go ahead and squeeze the Cartesian diver. That's cool. Awesome.
I gave it to you. You took it.
Period 1 is working hard. We having fun? I like that. Sodium polyacrylate plus water. Awesome. What do you think?
It feels weird. It's so weird.
It's like applesauce.
Yeah.
Look at that viscosity. The viscosity balls.
Yeah, they racing.
They're racing.
Oh, that's the. Oh, do we put those last? Oh,
Slushy. Is it cold?
A little bit. Go ahead and feel it. Isn't that crazy? It's like applesauce.
Let me touch it.
It's like a slushy.
Ew.
Yeah.